Going vegan, particularly overnight, can seem like a big step. According to the U.S. dietary guidelines and the unspoken rules of the standard American diet, you're cutting out 2 whole necessary food groups. Attempting to concoct elaborate or foreign recipes you see on Pinterest and TikTok will just add stress to the ordeal. Adopting a plant-based diet should be fun. It should also be delicious, rewarding, and joyful. Save the gourmet, multi-step culinary projects for a few months down the road. For now, stick to the basics. All of these recipes take 30 minutes or less to prepare and require minimal, familiar ingredients. Impress yourself and your family by whipping up any one of these 10 easy vegan meals. This video is sponsored by a vegan cookbook that I suggest you buy to make delicious meals during your vegetarian diet so you do not get tired of this diet. I put the link to get acquainted with Vegan Cookbook in the description of this video. Hi there. Number 1. Stuffed black beans, sweet potatoes with sour cream and guacamole. A loaded potato of any sort, sweet, russet, or purple, is a staple in any vegan arsenal. Ranging from super basic to gourmand, this recipe hits the sweet spot. It's more than just canned beans and corn plopped onto a potato, but it's simple enough to toss together on a hectic Tuesday night. If you're short on time, purchase store-bought dairy-free sour cream, like Forager, instead of making your own. Number 2. Root vegetable bowls with peanut sauce. The more accustomed you get to eating vegan, the more you'll realize it's often the sauce that makes the meal. Truly, you can turn humble grains, greens, and beans into a $15 Buddha bowl by adding a quick homemade sauce. In this case, we do recommend making the sauce, as it's so quick and many store-bought options contain fish sauce. Plus, you get to control the spice level. Number 3. 2-step vegan chickpea tuna salad sandwiches. Rely on the deli side. Of course, this quick chickpea mash is terrific between 2 slices of bread. You can try a bagel to switch it up, but it's also excellent dolloped onto salads, stuffed in a pita, or wrapped in a tortilla. Sometimes, we'll use it as a dip for raw carrots, toasty pita triangles, and celery. It only takes 5 minutes to make, but the possibilities are endless. Number 4. 3-step vegan diner-style pancakes. Few things are more satisfying in the moment than sitting down to a stack of giant, fluffy pancakes and watching syrup cascade down the sides as you sit contentedly at your own kitchen table. One bite of these flapjacks and you'll realize nothing is missing from your new vegan diet. Add chocolate chips or blueberries if you want to get wild. Number 5. Vegan banana oatmeal porridge. Master the perfect bowl of oats once and for all with this minimal ingredient breakfast recipe. Infused with cinnamon, nutmeg, and a bit of brown sugar, this banana-based bowl of oats is made for those who crave something sweet in the morning. Bonus, it's far healthier and more filling than a muffin or a donut and only takes a few extra minutes to prepare. Number 6. Easy vegan French bread pizza. It's pizza night, and all you need are 6 ingredients to make it happen. The key to a quality vegan pizza is your choice of non-dairy cheese. Miyoko's Creamery makes a solid mozzarella in 2 forms, sliceable rounds and pourable moz made for pizza. Let your creativity and the contents of your fridge determine the rest. Number 7. Easy vegan tofu egg salad. Packed with protein and super versatile, this eggy tofu mix will surely make it into your weekly lunch rotation. Egg salad is one of those foods that you may not have enjoyed as an omnivore but will love as a vegan. Number 8. Vegan roasted lemony broccoli rigatoni. There are nights when pasta with a blob of store-bought marinara will suffice, but given a few extra minutes, you can add some fiber and pizzazz to your go-to pasta night. While this dish takes less than 20 minutes to prepare and just 6 ingredients, you could even pass it off as a romantic date night meal. Number 9. Vegan copycat Panera broccoli cheddar soup. When you go vegan, you don't have to sacrifice any familiar favorites. There are store-bought alternatives for many products, but you can just as easily make your own. This thick, belly-warming broccoli cheddar soup satisfies just as completely as its Panera predecessor, especially when served in a bread bowl. Number 10. Healthy sushi rolls with ginger tamari sauce. Vegan sushi encompasses so much more than cucumber and avocado rolls. This recipe isn't the most complex iteration of plant-based sushi, but it can also be pared down as well. If you're short on time, skip the pink rice step and just go with plain sushi rice. You can also opt to purchase a creamy store-bought sauce like the ginger and sesame-infused Japanese dressing from Mother Raw. Please, if you like this video, like it and share it with your friends so that this video can be seen by more people and you can help people like you who need this video. And also support us. And please ask in the comments your biggest problems about losing weight so that we can produce quality videos about them so that all your problems can be solved. Are you struggling to lose weight on a vegan diet? Let us know which tips you plan to implement in the comments below. Have you lost weight as a vegan? Share your journey in the comments below to inspire others. Look no further for your weight loss training needs. Learn everything with our professional trainers. Only this weight loss channel is enough for you, and you can easily lose weight just by following and watching our videos from beginner to professional. We have a separate category for each topic that you can watch videos related to each topic in its own playlist. Only need to play your favorite playlist, see it again and again to become a professional in that subject, and you do not need anything else. If you are interested in this style of videos, please subscribe our page and click the bell next to it to be informed about our new videos.